Hey guys, this is called The Wolf Who Learned to Be Good by Natalie Moore. In a lonely wood there lived a wolf, a rather naughty wolf. Everyone knows wolves are very big and very bad. They just can't help themselves. He tried and oh wait, look, I might have missed some words. Let me see. But Wolf was not like other wolves. He actually wanted to be good. Being well behaved was not easy for a wicked wolf. He tried, and nothing worked. It was quite lonely being a big bad wolf. What happens if I never, ever make a friend of my very own? The wolf grumbled. Oh, what's the matter? Asked a little girl in a pink beret. She smelled of honey and cinnamon. I want to have a friend to play with, sobbed the wolf. He opened his eyes and saw the little girl. She looked delicious. Uh-oh, that's not a good word for him to use. Wolf couldn't help but think of all the wicked ways he could gobble her up. Fry her with onions and a dash of oil. Boil her in delicious broth. Bake her in a cake. The wolf's mouth watered with hunger. The girl had other ideas. She opened up her bag of wonders and got to work on the wolf. She gave him a makeover to cheer him up. She braided his hair so he wouldn't look so scruffy. Wolf was having so much fun that he totally forgot he had planned to gobble the girl up in one go. Then she took some cookies from her bag. Give them to me, snapped the wolf, and he devoured every last one. Give me a drink, he demanded, and licked his chops. Do you want to play school? She asked politely. No, we have to play my games, he boomed. Then I'll play on my own, said the girl glumly. Friends, who needs them? I can have fun all by myself, said the wolf. But it wasn't fun. It was boring. Wolf turned an odd shade of red. He had a rather strange feeling, a guilty feeling. He plodded over to the girl and tapped her on the shoulder. Sorry, he said sheepishly. The girl gave him a hug, and they played with her toys. She even let Wolf play with Mr. Fudge, her most favorite toy. It was getting late, and the girl needed to go home, so she picked up her bag and put Mr. Fudge in her pocket. Wolf took her to the edge of the lonely wood, so she didn't have to go far on her own. She gave Wolf a big squeeze and waved goodbye. In a lonely wood there lives a wolf, a rather good wolf who made a friend, a wolf who is good most of the time. All right, bye guys.